Hey guys, what's going on? In this video I will show you how to download and install Unreal Engine on your computer. So without further ado, I'm just going to get right into it and show you how to do it. So first of all, let's go to google.com and search for Unreal Engine. And go to unrealengine.com. So after unrealengine.com opens, go to the top right of the page and click on sign in. In here, if you already have an account, Epic account, Facebook account, or any of these ones, you can sign in with it. Or if you don't have an Epic Games account, just click on sign up and sign up with any of these options. So I've already signed up, and let's go back to the main page and click on download, and it downloads the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. After you download the Epic Games Launcher, go ahead and install it on your computer. After you install it on your computer, Epic Games Launcher's icon will appear on your desktop. Double click and open it. After Epic Games Launcher is opened, on the left side, click on Unreal Engine and then go to Library. In here, you can select the engine version you want to install. For example, so I have 503 and 427 installed, so my other option is 426. After you choose the engine version you want to install, click on install. In this window you can choose the installation location and set it to wherever you want. There are some options you can change for your download. So after you choose the options, this window opens, and in the target platforms area, most of the options are enabled by default. You can go ahead and disable all of them because you won't need them. And we have also these options: starter content, templates and feature packs, engine source, editor symbols, and debugging. Add starter content and templates and feature packs to the installation options, and please keep in mind that any of these options you can add or delete from your Unreal Engine source in the future. And go ahead and apply, and go ahead to and click install, and the download progress will begin, and the Epic Games Launcher will download and install Unreal Engine on your computer. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it's been helpful, and if it was, make sure to like and subscribe down below. I'm Hoj and I create environments and renders with Unreal Engine. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.